As I mentioned in my earlier videos, when I was about to print these shirts, now it's time for me to add the tags, the size tags of this thing. Okay guys, now it's time to proceed with the tags, the labels, neck labels for the shirts I show you. We're gonna cut a whole bunch. I don't have to cut them all, but I'm gonna cut a whole bunch of them. Before I continue cutting this thing, I gotta make sure they all going on the same direction. What do you guys think about this artwork? I designed it, you know, I came up with that. This place is, they have, it's like a bar, but they do country music. So I figure something related will be cool. So you guys can guess what that is. I mean, what is in the logo? Do you guys can guess? These are small. Yeah, I gotta cut like 2 or 3 more just in case. Let's wait till this thing goes to the, it gets to the temperature. Again, this is the Ricoma LSP 50-50. Do this. We're gonna start with the triples. So take the moisture out of this. So this is the triples. This a triple right there. So pretty much let's see. I haven't I didn't do any test, and let's see, hopefully this thing peels right off. As you can see over there, it peels right off. Now these are, I think there should be more than enough for this thing, and once that thing is done, we take the label off. Okay, so we put this right here in the meantime. This is just a repetitive thing. All I want to show you is what I use for it. I don't think it makes sense to keep pressing and pressing the same thing over and over, so I'm going to just show you a couple of them and we'll be done. You can see, easy peasy. See, the shirt is not going anywhere once you put it in place there. As you can see, the settings over there, 330 degrees for 10 seconds. That's it. See? Nice and clean. And this is it for the green ones on the triples. Okay, now we're doing the red ones on the triples. And after this, I don't know, I don't think you want to see, the same thing over and over. So we'll be done with this thing. I'm gonna keep on going, but the video will be done. The same heat kind of hold the heat transfers in place. If you guys need something like this, like like label tags, let me know. I got you. As you can see right here, it's no issues. I didn't even make a test or anything. Everything is working beautiful. See? Look at all the detail. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. That's the size right there. All them tiny lines, the shadows, everything. Cool, isn't it? If you get too picky, you can remove this little leftover from here, I guess. It's gonna involve a little more time, but then it looks better. And see, nothing left over. Okay, guys, you can see nothing like very complex into what I'm doing, just to show you. $330, 10 seconds. Okay, guys, this is it for this video. I keep repeating myself about I don't think you want to see this all the way. It's the same thing over and over. If you like what you're seeing, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you want me to show you. Okay, that's it, guys. See, the closer you get to this, the easier it is to take it off. And as I've been running this thing, I find that out. This is the first time I'm doing this thing on this specific shirt, but that's what I find out. You're gonna see in this one again. I was doing it wrong, but that's on everything. It's about practice. One more time so you can see. The closer you get to this thing, see, it comes right off. Watch. See? See you in the next one. Please give it a like.